Hello and welcome back to 40 days of Java programming, guys. So once again we are back with another topic in this programming. So today's topic is going to be if and else conditions in Java. So what is this if and else conditions? So basically assume that you have given a certain code, you have given a certain condition for a block of code, and if that condition is true, that block of code going to be executed. So if assume that the given condition is false, that block of code will not execute. So let us understand this briefly. So let me open my whiteboard. Yeah, look at this. Okay, you look at this picture. So at first this will be the syntax of if and else conditions. First you will be writing if and then followed by the respective condition and this curly bracket, and this curly bracket will be closing here. So in between this opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket, you should give you a certain block of code. Okay, so the same syntax lies with the else if, but here the major change is you will be writing else if instead of if, and then followed by the condition and followed by the code block that you will be specified in your code, and then else. So there will be no condition for else, because if these two condition fails, Java will automatically executing the code which are specified here. Okay, yeah, let's come to the theory part. So for example, you have given a condition here, guys. So if this condition is came out to be true, if this condition is true, Java will enter into this block. Java will be entering into this if block, and it will run the code you have given inside this block. Okay, so if assume the condition which you are given inside this is false, so Java will not enter into this. Okay, Java won't enter into this if block. It will directly comes to this else if block and check whether the given condition is true or not. If the given condition is true, it will enter inside this else if block and tries to execute the code which is specified here, and assume that this condition is also false. Okay, if this condition is also false, blindly Java will come to this block and enters and execute the specified code here, irrespective of the conditions, because else won't specify any condition. So that's the thing which I have specified in the beginning of this video, that is the given conditions. If the given conditions are or false, Java will execute the code which is given here blindly. Okay, so I hope this theory is clear for you. I'll just repeat it once again. If the given condition is true, it will enter into this if block, and if this given condition is false, it will not enter into this block. It will comes to this else if block, and it will check whether the condition is true or not. If this condition is true, it will enter into this block, and even this condition is also false, it will enter into the else block and blindly executes the code present here. So that's the theory part, and let's enter into the code. So I'll just explain you this through a small example. Yeah, so let us run this code taking this question as the basis. So what I have specified is write a Java program in which it should specify the given number as odd or integer. So I'll be giving a number in this code. So we need to write a program in such a way that the given number is odd or even or not an even number. So I'll just specify that number, integer x that is equals to 10, integer y that is equals to 25, and carried by integer z which will be equals to x plus y. Okay, so this will be the number. So what will be the result of x plus y? It's 35. So as you guys know that 35 is not an even integer, it is an odd integer. So we need to write a certain algorithm for that. So I'm writing my if condition here, if, and what is the syntax I have specified here. I'll just bring it here so that it would be clear for you. Yeah, perfect. So what was the syntax I have said? If followed by the condition and the respective code block. Okay, so if, so what will be the condition for a given number should be even integer. So its modulus of 2 of the given number should be equals to 0. So if it is equals to 0 only, it will be specified as the even integer. So the given number, that is z mod 2, should be equals to 0. If is it equals to 0, then we can specify it as even number. Okay, the given number is an even integer. Okay, even integer. So I am done with my if block, and then I'll move to else if. Else if. So I need to specify another condition here. So what will be the condition for odd integer? So the given number modulus of 2 with the given number shouldn't be equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, you can specify it as odd integer. If it is equal to 0, you just need to specify it as even integer. So z mod 2 is not equal to 0. Then you can write it as odd integer. Okay, the given number is an odd integer. Okay, then later on, what is the condition left? Else the given number is not an even number nor odd. So this is the code that we must be specified for the given question. So I hope this code is clear for you. Just have a look at this code, and later on I'll run this code. So I think this code is clear for you guys. I'll just run this code. Let us see what will be the output. Yeah, so the given number is an odd integer. The given number is an odd integer because the sum of 10 plus 25 will be 35. Sorry, 35. So this 35 is an odd integer. So let us assume I have given 10 here. So what is x plus y? That is 10 plus 10, it is 20. So I just need to get output as a given number is an even integer. So let us see whether we will be getting that or not. Yeah, see, the given number is an even integer. So I hope it is clear for you. So I'll just explain you briefly. So what I have said, if this given condition is true, the Java will enter into the certain block, right? So see here, 20 mod 2 is of course equals to 0. The remainder will be 0. So this condition is true. Okay. So as this condition is true, Java will be entering into this if block. So the specified condition is true, guys. See, the specified condition is true. So that's the reason it is entering into its respective block. So specified condition is true, so it entered into its specified block. So what is there in its block? We have given command that print that the given number is even integer. So it is printing the same thing here. So as it is true, remaining things will be false. So this condition will be not running. Okay. So the same thing runs with if we give 25 here. So what will be the result? It is 35, right? If I run the code, I'll get the output as a given number is an odd integer. That means this statement will be false and this statement will be true. So as this statement is true, it will be entering into its block and it will execute the thing which is present inside this block. So I hope this concept is clear for you, and if you have a doubt, you just comment in the comment section, or you can chat in our WhatsApp group. We'll be referring that WhatsApp group all the time, and we'll be clarifying your doubts. So that's it for this video, guys, and thank you for watching this video.